I have a vision. I have a vision for maximum utilization of technical resources available across the world to create a positive impact in the society. To use the technology in a conscious way. I encourage innovations, inventions, and discoveries that can replenish the resources what we have taken from the nature, especially from the Mother Earth, and leave it for our existence and also for our future generation. Rise the human consciousness. We know the technology is a mindless thing. Who uses it determines what it does. Hi, I am KP Pradeepkumar. I am on a mission to help 100,000 engineers to achieve high income growth using true coaching. I am basically an engineering and management professional with 28 plus years of experience in various private, public and government organizations, and also as an entrepreneur. So, do you want to have a great fortune with your technical skills? Build a business on your expertise. True business will monetize your expertise while helping others to utilize their technical resources. This YouTube channel is reports, reflections and responses on technology for its optimum and conscious utilization. I am building a community of engineers congruent to this idea, and those engineers resonate with this vision. I call these engineers as true. True means technical resource utilization experts. Now you can subscribe this channel and later wish to see your comments, likes and shares after watching each video from this channel. Thank you very much and see you again.